Yeah!
Hello guys, I'm Davis and today we are going to make a tabletop foosball table. Some time ago I made a regular size table, but there were some things that actually could be improved. I remodeled most of the components, but I didn't want to remake the whole table. So I decided it would be cool to make a tabletop version. It would take up less space and also it would be a great way to test out how the improved version would work, since the small version is basically a legless full-size table. While I'm assembling, I will tell you more about the issues I had with the previous version and how I solved them. One of the first things that needed to be changed was the field plywood. For the first table I used 18mm thick sheets. It was too much, so I decided to use 6mm ply, the same thickness as for the rods. It would drive down the cost and make the table slightly lighter. The bearing mechanism for the rods to slide through was good, so I didn't really want to mess with that. Then I wanted to change the way foosball dummies are positioned. Previously I had solutions that were both time-consuming to cut and confusing to assemble. So I wanted to make something that would be easier to assemble and look better. After long thinking, I decided to use simple components like this. The last thing that needed to be changed was the corners. Sometimes the ball got stuck there at the middle of the game, and that was frustrating. So I made this component. Its main task is to lift the corner up by a couple of millimeters, so the ball wouldn't stop there. The 6mm thick game field really made corner adjustments simple and painless. Now we have assembled the improved test version. Let's see how good it works. Looks like the game is working really nice. The gameplay is much smoother and more enjoyable. I also really love how the dummy positioners look in comparison to previous designs. Okay, I think that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, till next time.